Hello crafters, welcome back. This is part 2 of my unboxing video for the Crafted Blooms kit. In the first video, I actually opened it with you, showed you all the pieces that were included, and then I realized that there were a lot of pieces that needed to be punched out. These are a bunch of die cuts. They came on full sheets. And so I had to go through and punch them all out. And I knew that was going to take a little while. So I decided to not include that as part of the unboxing because nobody wants to sit and watch me punch them all out. But this is like one of the sheets that had all of these flower pieces that I had to punch out. And there were several sheets like that. So I told you I'd come back and do a part 2 where we'd start putting the cards together. This is these cards are absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to get going on putting them together. So what I do after I have kind of punched out any die cuts, is I like to sort them by the cards. And so this kit, we're making one of each card here. And what I'm going to do is open this up on the instruction sheet. So there's this one page here on the sheet, which literally shows you like all the pieces you need for card 1, 2, and 3. And so what I'm gonna do is start sorting them. And so in order to do this, so you can see what I'm doing, I'm gonna move all of my die cuts out of the way. Sorry, I've been, I was cleaning this morning and I swear it kicked up my allergies a little bit. So sorry if I sound a little congested, it's just my allergies. All right, so we've got our instruction sheet here. And let's see the best way to do this. I'm gonna maybe move this here, but I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit more. Ooh, that was a big jump on the camera. All right, we'll try this. And hopefully you can kind of see what I'm doing. So for card number 1, and I'm calling these cards, they're not actually cards. They're not cards that open, I should say. So, you know, you can still use them as a card. You can also use them for display. So this shows this white piece, this little piece here, and these words. So I'm gonna start by pulling that out. So here's the white piece. And it's hard to tell, it's not just white. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it, but there's actually like a very subtle pattern on there. And then we have this piece, and then we're gonna need this Home is a Feeling. Then we need 5 of these leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 2 of this pink flower, 2 of this lighter pink. This is probably petal pink if I had to guess. So we got 2 of those. We need 2 of the Golden Glow flowers. We need 3 of this kind of the leaves. So 1, 2, 3. We need 5 of these tiny little daisy flowers. So I'm gonna set that down and count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need 2 of these smaller. These are going to be like centers for the card, I believe. 1 of this little snowflake looking. This will be another card center, I believe. 2 of the little blue. Another pieces that go in the center of flowers. And 1 of this one. And you can also see that it's going to show me like we're going to use both dimensionals, which are the little white hexagon shaped, and then glue dots, which are the little gray circles. So that's how we know what we're gonna use. So that's everything for this piece. No, it's not. 2 more things, missed 2 more. We need 2 more of these. They look like white snowflakes. All right, so that's everything we need for card number 1. We're gonna set all those pieces aside, and then we're gonna work on, card number 2. So for this one, it wants us to have this piece, which this one you can probably see a little better. There is some subtleness to that, like a little subtle pattern. And so we need 5 of these leaves and 5 of those leaves, and the welcome sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 2, these 2 pink, petal pink flowers. We need 2 of the golden glow flowers. They're stuck together, so just so you can see there's 2. We need 3 of this pink. I think this could be melon mambo maybe. I'm not really sure, but we need 3 of those. And then you can see these are actually different sizes. So it's one of this size, one of this size, one of this size, but there's 2 of each. Let's see. Let's make sure I get the right ones because I have several to choose from. I want to make sure. Okay, I think it's, we've got this one. This is the large one. Okay, I can see the difference. Yeah. The medium and the smaller of them. Okay, and then I think I need more light. See if that helps. Start going for the smaller ones. So we've got this little blue, just 1 of them. 2 of the little blue star looking pieces. 2 of the yellow star looking pieces. 2 of the snowflake looking pieces. 1 golden glow center. Oh, and then why they did that separately, I don't know, but 2 more of these blue star looking pieces that are for the center of flowers. And I believe that is all the pieces. I don't know if I got this one yet. I'm not sure if I got this one yet. I don't think I did, so I need this one as well. All right, and again, it shows us that we are going to use both glue dots and dimensionals. So that's project number 2. So now let's go to project number 3. You can see it shows, this is going to be our background, and then we need the words. And then we'll just start pulling in some more pieces. We need 5 leaves and then 6 leaves. So let me count these out. This should be the last of the leaves. Yep, 5 of those. In theory, I could just assume 6, that all of my die cut pieces that are left go with this card, but sometimes they give you extras. So we're gonna just go with it. So let's start from the top. We've got 2 of the honey glow, or that's not honey glow, what is it? Golden glow. We have 1 of the little snowflakes. We've got 2 of the blue and 2 of the yellow middles. Sorry, these pieces are kind of small and I'm working with just my 1 hand. So we've got 2 of the, what I think is melon mambo flower petals. 2 of the petal pink, 2 of this might be Calypso Coral, and we got 2 more of these. We have 1 of these, and then we have 5 daisies. So they did give me extra daisies. 3, 4, and 5. I will set those aside because it's quite possible that I'm pretty sure I missed getting the daisies for this second project. And that's why I have 5 over here, because 5 go on that second project. So let's just go ahead and put those on that second project. And then what we'll do is go back to project number 1 and start working on it. I don't know why there's such a shadow today. I usually don't have a shadow in this room. It's very weird. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our instructions. And this is our instructions for card number 1. So you can see at the top here, it's telling me for, I believe, all of these pieces. I'm going to cheat and look here real quick. Yep. It wants me to roll with like a pen the edges of all of these pieces. And I'll just kind of show you. So you can see how the edges of the flowers and the leaves kind of roll up a little bit. On project number 2, we've got the same thing. And on project number 3, we have the same thing. So I am probably going to go off camera again because it's going to take me a while to roll all these little pieces. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera. I think I will finish 2 of the 3 and I will save 1 of them to show you how I put it together. Because if not, like, I could be videoing this all day because I wouldn't call this complicated. This is just a little bit more time consuming because of how beautiful it's going to be when it's done. So again, check back for video number 3. I will show you a couple of the completed projects. And then I will show you, I will save this first one and I'll assemble the first one with you so you can see how we use the different adhesives. So I will check back with you in a little bit